Students, welcome to another session. Wait, want to share. Okay, now you can see a online tool, the tool name Survey Monkey. Yes. Now today I want to tell you about different uh, tools related with the online platform. Certainly you can use offline platform to collect data, but also you can use online platform also. There's so many type of online platforms are available to you. If you are interested, you can use those online platforms also to collect the data. Certainly, we need data for analysis. As a researcher, findings should be based on data. For online data collection, what are the different sources available? First source, email. As we know, email is the traditional online tool. Uh, you can use that online tool for data collection. Email. Yes. How can you use email or Gmail for data collection? Please prepare a questionnaire and send those questionnaire to the participants. Then the participants will open the email and they will open the Google form and they will fill. Actually, it is a real-time process. You will get the responses in your platform. That is the working of email related data collection. Yes. Then next, online questionnaire. Yes. Google Forms is an online questionnaire. You can use Google Form. Please prepare Google Form and send Google Form to the participants through any media. That is another online platform for data collection. Uh, but now there are so many online tools available. Yes, Google Form is the traditional online method available to you for data collection, online data collection. I think it is the most famous one. But apart from Google Forms, there are so many tools are available now. Uh, One is SurveyMonkey. Here you can see the platform of SurveyMonkey. You can use this platform for data collection. Okay, but actually it is a paid software. If you want to use the advanced features of SurveyMonkey, please select any plan. Then you can get the advanced features of SurveyMonkey. But certainly you can use SurveyMonkey to a certain extent without no cost. But to get the advanced features, certainly you have to select a plan. Okay. To apply the basic features, you need not pay any cost. Okay. The next media for online data collection is social media. Yes, you can use the popular social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, then Insta, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, etc. for data collection. Yes, those are the social media platform available to you. If you want to collect data, please uh, contact the respondent through any social media and you can collect data. Okay. I think WhatsApp is the most significant social media. It is the easy availability is the most important aspect of WhatsApp. Okay, next mobile app. You can use mobile application nowadays. So many mobile apps are available. Please select that mobile app and you can use data collection for that. You can apply that mobile application for online data collection. In certain websites, you can see pop-up surveys. Those pop-up surveys are applied for data collection, online data collection. Next, group discussion, video conferencing methods like Google Meet, Zoom. There are so many video conferencing tools available to you. Please use those video conferencing tools, group discussion tools, and collect the data. I think those are the most important online data collection tools available to you. Please use any of the online data collection tool. Okay, then collect the data. Okay, thank you.